In a primetime news follow-up, we went back to the comprehensive clinic in Kingston to find out why people flocked the facility long before opening hours. On all angles last week, the health minister and his opposition counterpart agreed a probe was needed. TVJ's Kirk Wright filed this report.
In last week's edition of All Angles, the health minister, Dr. Christopher Tufton, agreed with his opposition counterpart, Dr. Dayton Campbell, that an assessment needs to be done as to why people, even with appointments, turn out early, 3 hours before sometimes, to the comprehensive clinic. And so we decided that we wanted to do some assessment ourselves, so we came here this morning. About how early were you here this morning?
I was here 6 o'clock.
But why is there a need to come this early?
Because I have to get a number. If you don't get the number, you stay inside there and have to wait till all who had number to hand in your appointment card. When that is finished, all who is there now that don't have a number, they take those cards. And you have to stay very, very long before they take the numbers, before you have to get through.
I reach here about 6:30 and I get number 2. So I want to get through early. Sometimes you get through early, sometimes you don't get through early. Sometimes your doctor take a time to find. You understand?
7.
7?
Yes.
Why you come this early though when the clinic opens at 8?
Come to get a number.
When you get a number, you get through earlier?
Depends.
It depends on what though? What it depends on?
Depends on the sickness, or the what you have, the situation what you have.
Well, I like to come early.
What's your name?
Shernet.
Do you have an appointment?
Yes.
But then if you have an appointment, why don't you come at the appointed time?
No, but when you get an appointment, you have to come early to get the early number. If you come like 8 o'clock, sometime number finish.
What about you, ma'am? About what time you got here this morning?
Oh, 6:20.
And why do you come this early?
Because I want to get through early. Generally, when you don't come early and you come late, you stay all day and you have to get prescription. So when you get through early, you can fill a prescription and go back to work or go home, go do something.
Do you have an appointment?
Yes, sir.
What time is your appointment?
7:30, them said.
But you have been here from?
6:20.
And the minister says people don't need to come early because you...
What the minister said. Him don't out here, so I want to know.
Dr. Tufton said there is a plan to ease congestion at clinics by increasing the number of doctors in the primary health care system. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.